Coordinating drones and ground robots across domains typically requires custom integrations, rigid logic, and constant oversight. However, Scout AI proposes a software-defined alternative. The company recently demonstrated its Fury autonomous vehicle orchestrator, managing a diverse fleet from high-level mission intent. During live field operations in Central California, the system translated a commander's objective into synchronized actions between an uncrewed ground vehicle and multiple aerial systems, all executed on operational hardware rather than simulated scenarios. Think of it as an AI-driven interoperability layer between human strategy and autonomous machines. Through a command interface, an operator issues objectives in natural language. Fury builds a mission plan, submits it for approval, then produces machine-readable command packages formatted to match each platform's native interface, without altering core flight or mobility software. It continuously fuses flight metrics, live video streams, and command inputs to create a unified operational picture. When a drone identifies a target, the orchestrator redirects supporting units, enforces timing constraints, and sequences follow-on actions, while human operators remain firmly in control. For defense integrators, this signals a scalable path to cross-domain fleet orchestration, including deployment at the edge and integrated communications environments.